In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Outlook is a vital tool for managing your emails and keeping up with your communications efficiently, and having a better view of your emails can make a big difference in your productivity. So, let's walk through this simple process together. To start, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Microsoft Outlook URL, which will take you to the login screen. Once you're there, you're going to see the Sign In option. Click on it to proceed. Enter your login credentials and sign into your account. Be sure to use your registered email address and password to access your Outlook dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your emails, calendar, contacts, and other useful features. From here, click on the Mail option. This will take you directly to your email inbox, where all your messages are neatly organized, waiting for you to read, respond, or delete. Next, to zoom in or out of your email content, select an email that you want to explore further. Clicking on an email opens it in a detailed view where you can see the entire message. This is the window where you'll adjust your zoom settings. Now, to adjust the view, you look towards the top of the email window and click on the View tab. This button is part of the menu bar that runs across the top of your Outlook window. It contains several options to modify how you see your emails and other elements in Outlook. In the View menu, you will see an option labeled Zoom. Click on it. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose a zoom level. Here, you can either zoom in or zoom out by selecting the desired percentage. If you're finding it hard to read the smaller text, increase the zoom level by selecting a higher percentage. Conversely, if you prefer seeing more of the email at once, you can decrease the zoom level. Adjust this setting according to your preference and needs. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. It's an easy yet effective way to tailor the email reading experience to your liking, making sure you have the most visible workspace for all your communications. Adjusting your zoom settings can greatly improve your efficiency and comfort, whether you're responding to an urgent email or simply browsing through your many messages. Make sure to apply these steps the next time you find yourself squinting at your screen. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes your Outlook experience better every day.